Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It is a miserable day out here. It's the day after Christmas, and that means I'm going to be taking off the Christmas lights from the truck. They served me well, but it's time to remove these guys. So just to recap, we had them zip tied to command hooks here, and it is along the plastic trim, so it's not going to harm anything. I didn't want to put anything on the paint because that wouldn't have been fun. So we just did it a safe way on the plastic trim on the bed, and we'll get these off, and it'll look like new again. We got them off, and then I just have to use a little bit of a knife or something and get the pads off there, but that's it. And then we'll just have to cut the zip ties here, pull all that off. This is already untaped and all that, and we're done. So it was battery operated, as you can see here. Oops. Get our batteries out. I actually didn't need much of anything. You can just take an old rag or I don't know, I'm just using like a bag here. Just kind of rub it down. See, it comes right off. So as you can tell, the weather is still miserable, but I did get the Christmas lights off the bed of the truck, and I did a quick little install of this right here. Now it's a small little device, but it is the hard-tuned electric sticker, and it just comes in a few pieces. So you've got the actual electric sticker here, the connector piece which connects to this control box right here, and it's plugged into a USB that I've kind of hid, and it runs down here. You can see I've got to put it away still, but it's right here, and then it runs underneath my floor mats and then plugs into this USB right here. That's it. It is a very, very simple install. You just choose where you want to put it on the vehicle, connect all the proper connectors, hit the power button on the control box, and you're done. So you can kind of see it right there, and then I'll show you what it looks like turned on.